Koh Kood is Thailand's sixth biggest island, with a surface area of 105 square kilometers. Although it is a big island, it is lightly inhabited, with a population of little over 2,000 people. Koh Kood, at 25 kilometers long and 12 kilometers wide, is the fourth largest island in Thailand, and the median of the Three Sisters Island. Most of the island is covered by low mountains. Its highest peak reaches 315 meters, upholstered by dense jungle vegetation. The original residents of Ko Kut Island were Thais and Khmers, who left the city of Padjantakiri after the French conquered it in 1904. People used to make a livelihood by tapping rubber trees, gathering coconuts and fishing in the protected coves of the island. On the northeast shore in Salad lies the ferry dock for Koh Kood. There is a paved road here that leads south to the west coast beaches, which are where the most of the tourist growth has occurred. With a broad selection of lodging, diving shops, restaurants and a few pubs, the Klong Chau neighborhood is the heart of the action. Many portions of this mountainous, steep island are only accessible by boat. There are various quiet resorts on the island, which is fantastic if you want to relax and unwind. Despite being Thailand's sixth biggest island, Koh Kood has managed to retain its unspoiled tropical paradise. Koh Kood is the southernmost of the Koh Chang Island series, located in Trat province. It's a resort destination that caters to people searching for a calm beach paradise with soft sand, crystal clear water and nothing more than stunning beaches and little other infrastructure. Relaxing is the most popular pastime on this island, which is known for its unspoiled natural beauty and laid-back native lifestyle. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. All accommodation options in Koh Kood are located along its western and southern coast, which are actually the only coastal areas that can be reached by road. Most of the beachfront accommodation in the island is mid-range and high-end resorts, but there is also more than enough cheaper bungalows, hostels and guest houses, usually a bit inland. The best time to travel to Koh Kood is between November and February, although the monsoon rains are moderate even during the rainy season months. Furthermore, snorkeling or exploring the island's beaches and woodlands are alternatives, while boat cruises to surrounding islands for sightseeing, snorkeling and scuba diving are also available. A little fishing village near Salat on the island's northeast coast offers an opportunity to learn about island culture. Many resorts provide kayaks to their guests for free or at a low cost. Take advantage of this by renting a kayak and exploring the island's canals and seas. Up the Klong Chau River to the waterfall is one of the greatest kayaking trips. You may explore the mangrove forest waterways on your way back. Thousands of little sparkling jellyfish may be seen in the water underneath if you take your kayak out after dark. We don't know if they sting, so we wouldn't suggest swimming with them, but they are bizarre and mystically gorgeous.